Teams often collaborate on contacts and opportunities they do not own. So, keeping associated users notified of relevant changes is essential for efficient communications. Thanks to this update, you have a wider range of users to select when setting internal notifications. Let's learn what these changes include. If you are using an opportunity trigger and assigned owner is your user type, you can include opportunity owners. Turn on notifications for contact, opportunity followers, or both in addition to the main recipient. Let's learn how to configure your workflow to include opportunity owners in internal notifications. Select your trigger from the Opportunities options. Add an internal notification action in the workflow. Set your notification type. Set the user type to assigned owner, then check the box next to your desired owner type. Now you can notify contact owners and followers, opportunity owners and followers, or all from the internal notification workflow action. This makes it easier to keep all teammates informed without manual mentions or extra workflow branches. We hope you enjoy it.